I'm granting 100 kids their biggest wish. Because for most of you watching, your childhood probably looks similar to mine. But kids like Mac spent theirs fighting for their life. However, to celebrate completing his cancer treatment,
And if you could have one wish for anything in life, what would it be?
Skiing.
And we're here! All right, last one down's our egg.
The day that we got the diagnosis, Matt grabbed my hand. He said, "Mom, this might be hard, but I'm gonna be okay."
You did it!
and that was just the first of 100 wishes not just I, but we will be granting in this video. The world's biggest creators, chart-topping musicians, award-winning actors, legendary athletes like LeBron James. Yes, LeBron James is literally in this video. All of us have joined together to make these wishes come true. But for our next wish, River just wanted to meet me, but I wanted to take it up a notch.
That button is hot. When you press it, a massive explosion will go off. How does that make you feel?
Nervous.
Yeah?
Me too.
Same.
Subscribe.
And because the most popular wish in the world is the most magical place on Earth, the 30 of you get Disney World to yourselves.
All right, you guys ready to go ride some rides? Is this your first time here? Aw.
It's about to be so cool.
It's gonna be the best day ever.
No lie, everyone, just go straight on the ride. Is this a bad time to say I hate roller coasters? But oh, whoa.
And while some of them wanted to ride their favorite rides,
Let's go ride the carousel.
or meet their favorite characters, a few just wanted to see Tariq get traumatized.
All right. Okay. Oh my God! This has been a ton of fun, but we still got a lot more people to make happy.
The Rock, Speed, and so many others all came together to help make these wishes come true.
I'm here in a hospital. I want to know, why are wishes important?
Well, these wishes are part of life-saving cures.
Giving them a core memory that can help push them through, and that's why we're doing this video.
Absolutely. Help them and their family.
For our next wish, Addison wanted to swim with a whale shark.
They're the biggest fish in the world.
That thing?
Yeah, that one.
I can't believe they're doing this. I'm so glad that we can make our wish come true.
And over in London, we're surprising Maisie, who is a massive theater fan, with a VIP experience.
What a little gift for you.
But our next mission was with Blue Origin and SpaceX, where the kids got to sign an actual Falcon 9 rocket ahead of its launch.
Whoa!
While Harry and Brian got to live out their F1 dream. And in Paris,
Take off your blindfolds. I heard you guys are big fans of the channel.
4 kids competed in a Mr. Beast challenge, painted the Mr. Beast logo,
And now it's hanging on my walls.
Jimmy, what about mine?
Nolan, what is that? I heard you guys were big fans of the channel. How's it going?
Mr. B!
What up, little man?
Mr. B! You are awesome! You're like a legend!
Oh, thank you.
These kids just wanted to meet me, but I brought in someone even taller.
I heard that you guys are fans of basketball. You're not just meeting me today, you're also going to be meeting the greatest basketball player to ever live, LeBron James. LeBron, thanks for making it out. Not much.
This is awesome! I'm literally just about to blow up! I'm freaking out right now!
Maybe if you're lucky, you convince him to shoot a shot real quick.
Yeah, I could do that.
I'm not in a dream! I thought I was in a dream!
You hit right on that square.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
there we go.
What?
There we go.
Whoa,
Ah!
that's crazy.
I actually did it!
I got something special for you guys. I am handing over the keys to my foundation's House 330 that's down the street for an unbelievable experience for you guys.
This is awesome!
Not only does this foundation double as a community center with games and food,
I kind of want some of that caramel fudge brownie.
LeBron's foundation is committed to redefining community and building stronger families in Akron. And it even has his bedroom.
Don't mind me.
LeBron, don't worry, we're taking good care of the place.
Real good, LeBron!
Look who called.
Speed! Yo, Speed, what's good?
And we're not stopping there. I brought the next kids to one of the biggest malls in the world.
Everybody take off your blindfolds. This is yours for the entire day. You can do whatever you want. You want to go to the theme park? Yeah! All right, let's go hit it.
Many of these kids have barely been able to experience anything because of their cancer treatments. So I decided to rent out and surprise them with a place that has literally everything.
Let's have some fun! Tariq Nolan, let's go to a different ride.
It looks like they ran out of room though.
Yeah, you gotta go.
My name's Tariq. What's your name?
Ella.
Ella, nice to meet you. Oh, this is terrifying.
Hey, Tariq, don't be afraid.
Surely this isn't scary, right?
But getting to watch Tariq be terrified wasn't all I had in store.
Everything in this store behind you is free on me. Go have fun.
You'll never take us alive! This is like a free candy store with free candy.
Everything you grab is free. So that, free.
They're expensive and that's why it's awesome, because it's off Jimmy's credit card.
Yeah, that's what makes it even better.
Here, you want a purse? It's yours. You want whatever this is? It's yours. You think this is as high as you can go? You can't.
Oh, buddy, I could go higher.
The kids were filling up their carts so much,
She is jam-packing it.
I decided to bring in some friends to help them.
So what's the budget?
Unlimited, the whole store's free.
Infinite budget.
You guys want to help Santiago grab a bunch of stuff?
He barely works out, so I'm making him work out.
I barely work. Okay, yeah.
This is all for Santiago right here.
Yeah, let's open up one for Santiago.
Yeah, this is Santiago right here. Oh, this is Santiago. Santiago. That's Santiago too.
Santiago got the whole store.
Look how happy they all are. This has been an amazing experience.
Let's go help more people.
It was lovely meeting you, thank you. And in case you're curious, if a kid doesn't want to be in the video, they don't have to be in the video and we still grant their wish. Like this kid right here, didn't want to be in the video, that's perfectly fine. The viewers at home, how could they help support someone they might know that has cancer?
Volunteering at the local hospital, going to read to kids in the hospital who are going through
Or honestly, if you haven't visited one of your friends or someone you know that has cancer in a hospital, just go visit them. I'm sure that would mean the world to them. I heard some of you guys watch your videos, so I wanted to say hi. You've got a monitor, a brand new iPower PC, everything you need to play whatever computer games you want. Take care, man. Glad I got to meet you.
Thank you.
No worries. For our next wish, we're heading to the Steelers facility to surprise Jeremiah. All right, let's get suited up because we're just getting started. Jeremiah's dream is about to come true.
To play for the Steelers is something he's always wanted to do.
Gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Go deep. Okay.
Go, Jerry!
Come on.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm happy for him.
It's like watching his dream. It's a dream he didn't really get to have.
With his surgery, he can't play contact sports. It's motivation to not let what he went through hold him down.
Bro,
King Jeremiah, man. You got some ice in your hair.
that looks awesome.
Unfortunately, these kids have all had their childhoods taken away from them. So I arranged for their favorite YouTubers to join and all play together.
What's going on?
Have you seen Lauren's Eastside?
Yes.
What if I told you she's behind you?
Ah!
We surprised 2 kids with KSI
Maybe turn around.
Hey guys.
and had unlimited access to my credit card in a toy store.
We've got like 5 PS5s. No, one for every room.
The Stray Kids surprised Ezra with a meet and greet and even watched them perform live. Brooke got to cook alongside Christina Tozy, an award-winning chef,
This is gorgeous.
and even create her own dessert on the menu.
This is amazing.
Shelby explored a haunted museum in Vegas with Sam and Colby.
Colby had cancer, so I feel like I can relate to him. I really do like them.
And Joshua got the laser engraver he'd been dreaming of.
This is better than anything I could have imagined.
And Aaliyah.
As for Apple products, let's surprise her.
I heard you wanted some Apple products?
Thank you.
For our next few wishes, we brought Mr. Beast videos to them. Have any of you ever wanted to compete in a mini Mr. Beast video? Yeah! Okay. We've got mini versions of our videos set up all around this room. One more forward. Let's go! You did it! Oh!
Let's see if we can catch some wind and sail to the island!
You get a brand new Xbox as a gift from us. Here you go. It's a little heavy. Congratulations. And for our next wish, we partnered with Disney to fly 3 kids to Hawaii for an unforgettable week at Disney's Aulani Resort.
Aloha and welcome to Hawaii.
I want to say it.
You want to say it? You should hit it.
I got it. Aloha and welcome to Hawaii. Are you ready to have the best week in your entire life?
Yeah!
And after meeting Mickey and his friends
Thank you.
and taking a dip in the tropical ocean,
Are you okay?
I'm going back to shore.
we brought them on a helicopter tour around the entire island.
This is awesome.
And because they were such big Moana fans, Disney invited them to a party with the stars of Moana. where they got to meet them.
How you doing?
Say hi. Have you had a good day?
Yeah.
And take lots of pictures. But I had one more surprise.
And I wanted to take this wish one step further by surprising them at the Moana premiere. This is the kids in this limo. They have no idea I'm here. How's it going?
Oh my God.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. Come on here. Nice to meet you. You guys want to go watch Moana?
Yes.
All right, let's go get our seats. What do you guys think so far? Is this freaking awesome?
Yes.
Yeah?
The best than I imagined.
Shout out to Disney for letting us watch the movie early. When you see this video, that means it's out. Go watch Moana right now.
Then I had Disney, the largest wish granter in the world, help me with this next one.
How's it going?
Oh my God.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
I heard you're a big fan.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
How's it going? They told me you're a big, wow, you're making me cry. They told me you're a big fan of the channel, so I wanted to come say hi. You want to give me another hug? That's nice to meet you, Emmanuel.
Wishes like these are fulfilled every day by Disney, wish-granting organizations, and Give Kids the World, a nonprofit that gives children with critical illnesses and their family a week-long, cost-free vacation to create some of their most priceless memories together. And you can give back to them by donating for a chance to win a night in the most exclusive room in the entire world, Cinderella's Castle Suite. We are in the middle of Disney World on top of the castle. This is a one-of-one room that you can't buy anywhere. And you at home could literally stay in this room. All you have to do is donate $10 to Give Kids the World, which does exactly what you saw in this video. It gives kids who are at the lowest point of their life something to look forward to. It gives them joy, and we should support that. So click the link in the description for your chance to win.
And after traveling all around the world, our biggest wisher wanted to be anonymous. And he asked
that we help other cancer patients,
which is exactly what we're doing with a massive blood drive. Can you explain what we're doing right now?
We are giving blood, red blood cells and white blood cells to help patients who need it.
Obviously, everyone here is giving blood to save lives, but they're probably wondering, how does this save lives?
When they give you treatments for cancer, sometimes it kills your blood cells, and you need to replenish with fresh blood. Every year, 400,000 kids worldwide get cancer.
Not 400,000 people, 400,000 kids.
Kids.
Get cancer.
Yeah.
No child should die of cancer.
We desperately need blood. You're a hero.
Your dad donated blood. Now you gotta be nice to him the next week. You're here and you're saving lives.
Only 2 to 3% of eligible adults actually donate blood. Thankfully, you brought out all these amazing people today to donate.
And it's because of them, we received enough blood to save 1,000 lives.
Obviously, if you can donate money, donating blood is an amazing step.
That's a crazy line. If you can't donate money, you can donate blood. I like that.
You gave someone life, quite literally.
It feels amazing.
Every year, more than 105,000 kids around the world lose their lives to cancer. But behind every life that is saved is an army of doctors, researchers, volunteers, and organizations like St. Baldrick's, where heroes and volunteers shave their heads in solidarity with kids fighting cancer.
When I was going through leukemia, it made me feel great.
And companies like Amgen, who are developing the next generation of cancer treatment.
No child should die of cancer. Basic research gives me incredible hope so the children don't have to go 2.5 years of toxic therapy.
And like Stand Up to Cancer, who are working every day to change that. And together, every step brings us a little closer to a world without cancer.
I was diagnosed at 21 years old. With the help of research and innovation, I was able to get other treatment opportunities. 5 years cancer-free, so we're good.
Heck yeah, love it. In this video, you saw us grant 100 kids wishes. I think all of us would agree the ultimate wish for them would be to not have to deal with cancer in the first place, which is what Stand Up to Cancer is doing by forming a dream team
and raising money to get
the top people on the planet when it comes to cancer research to try to put an end to pediatric kids' cancer. And why? I want to support that mission. So boys, bring it on in. Me and my friends at Amgen and St. Baldrick's are going to be making a $6.5 million donation to help kickstart the Dream Team. This $6.5 million is going to change a lot of kids' lives. Click the link in the description. They're going to need more than $6 million to solve this issue. No kid should have to deal with cancer, and hopefully this helps stop it. Take care.